screen. Yeah. So I'll share to you my screen. Actually, what I got right now is not the updated one of the BSC. But anyway, okay, since this is recorded, okay, I'll be posting this for many people to watch soon in our YouTube channel. So first, I would like to introduce our company. Our company is based in Singapore, and this is the official website of Reway, web.reway.com. So as you can see here, this is the official website. And if you're a member, okay, if you're using mobile, okay, you can just swipe it, scroll down, and then you can see this one. But I'm using iPad right now. So here, the membership, if you're a member, since I am a Filipino, okay, PH, like that. So this is my account. So every diamond account, every membership that you purchase in Reway, whether it is silver, gold, platinum, or diamond, has a different PH number. So it means if you have 10 10 accounts, it means you have 10 different accounts, but you can only log in your master account because you can set all your income, you can see everything in your master account. So of course, you can share your password. Okay. Oh, it's not working. Anyway. So since it's not, did you see? No, you didn't see my screen. Okay, wait. Let me show again. Okay, so this is for the benefit of those. Okay. New. Okay, you have idea what's inside. What is inside the account of this company if you are a member. So here, so if you're a member, okay, here you can see your account. Okay, then after this, okay, I'll discuss with the BSC, right? So this is the only website. If this is the only website because some of your Filipino friends, okay, mentioned that they are going to look over, or I mean, research in Facebook like that. So they must be very careful that they should be sure that they go to the right website. So since I am a company account, I have a company account in Reway. This is what I get. So you can, if for many, they have individual accounts. So what they can see is welcome. Example, welcome Evelyn Janssens, like that. So that is what you can see. And then here you can see, you can browse, you can explore like that, and you can even watch the video. So this is the latest video that they uploaded. So all of the trainings and events are recorded, although not in full video, here in this video. So in the video button, if you are a member already, you can watch this and learn everything, because it is very important that you know about the company. The more you know about the company, the stronger your trust to the company. Now, let's go to our BSC for today. What I have here actually is the, because I cannot find my, what do you call this? I cannot find my, the recent. Okay, this one. So Conscientious is our beauty set. Okay, beauty set. So this is not this is a beauty product. We have mask and we have mist or spray, both for men and women. And the name of the product is Conscientious. For our health product, the name is Pure Cheer, but that is a German word. It means from the purity of the deer, but a product from New Zealand, and they pronounce it as Pure K, parang Porche, like that. Anyway, so here, as you can see here, the global wellness economy statistics. So this is actually not updated because this was last January 2017, but okay, in the recent, okay, report of this is actually 1 trillion 1 trillion of beauty and anti-aging. So what does it mean? This slide simply says that when you are in this business, okay, you are in wellness tourism, okay, you are into preventive and personalized medicine and public health, like that, they have this certain amount of, portion, okay, a pie in the health and beauty industry. So the biggest among them all is the beauty and anti-aging, which our CEO, Mr. Lim Boon Hong, has already foreseen even like few years back. So our company, Riway International, okay, falls into this. We have stem cell product, capsulized live stem cell, which is for health. And of course, our beauty product, which is consensus stem cells also. So Riway International, okay, focus to health product for 10 long years. So for 10 years, we only have one product only. So, and that is Pure Cheer. Now, the revenue of this for 10 years is like 10 billion US dollar also. But right now, because it's already 2023, and as well as June 2023, okay, it was announced that Riway International is already at 40 billion, has a total of 40 billion US dollar. So you see, it means okay, it means that the product and the company itself has a very good culture already planted, okay, its name in the market with good integrity, and so the company already, okay, have gone this far. So we started still with one product, first edition, second edition, up to the sixth edition, no price increase. Not until in the sixth edition, okay, a little bit, and it has already 12 ingredients inside the caplet. Now, they increase only the standard, but not the price. Now, right now, okay, in Japan, in Korea, they are into plastic surgery, and it's so ironic that these people, especially in USA, in Europe, their plastic surgery had gone wrong, and then it's like they are paying so much money just to make their face ugly. So sad. Of course, not all, but mostly, as we can see even in YouTube, in their videos like that, in social media. Now, there was this thing, okay, there was the Korean pageant contestants who look insanely similar, finally competed. They are all similar. It's because of the Botox and the plastic surgery. So you can, if you look at the faces of some women, you can identify, you can easily detect, you can easily say that this person, this lady has gone into this underwent this plastic surgery or Botox, like that. It's because it seems that they have the same face for the Botox. Plastic surgery, of course, they can have the face as they want, any face that they want. Okay, so it means that people are willing, okay, to invest so much, to spend so much money for their beauty. Now, aesthetic injection. So Botox. How much here in the Philippines for the Botox only? It costs like 50,000 pesos. It's like 1,000 US dollar for one Botox session. Imagine for this. And then hyaluronic acid, liquid silicone, and so many. But silicone, okay, liquid silicone sometimes, or most, okay, after 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, it has bad effect inside their body. So it means that there is an equivalent risk later on. So own fat body, collagen, placentum, they are doing this, and then Here in the Philippines, salon and spa, okay, they are buying expensive machines from Korea and Japan just to achieve a Korean glass skin, just to achieve the Japanese young skin like that, and then radiation with that machine and the radiation in their face. I don't know the terms. So but okay, we know, we are aware, but it seems that we are not we are aware that in every beauty product that we are using, especially for us ladies, we don't we simply ignore the effect in the future. So these are the harmful ingredients. There is mercury even in the lipstick. There is this artificial colorings like that they mix maybe in our cream like that, paraffin oil. These are the ingredients that are harmful, okay, especially to the very sensitive skin. So I fall into this. My skin, okay, is very, very sensitive, that even powder, light foundation, okay, it can immediately react, okay, to the sunlight like that. So now, okay, most major brands strive to research and develop their own effective ingredients. So, but what are available in the markets? This is 3-in-1 cream like that, 6-in-1 cream, 5-in-1, 7-in-1. But if you can see, okay, if you're watching videos, TikTok, Reels like that, you see these people who are ladies who are doing the promotion. So they have this serum, they have this cream, so many creams, so many serum. How many things are they going to combine of beauty products they're putting in their skin? Okay, it's because one beauty product has only one benefit, another has only one benefit, another has two benefits. So they wanted their skin to benefit all of this, and so they are going to combine and use this. That's why in every beauty product that are available in the market, there are like at least four beauty set inside the package. Serum, okay, hydrolating, whatever the term like that. So anti-aging, anti-wrinkles, melasma, and all. So like me, example, I have melasma, I have very sensitive skin, and I have oily skin. So it means I have to get all of these beauty product and combine. So if I'm going to do this like in the morning, I'm going to spend like 10 minutes or even 1 hour to do that in the evening before I go to sleep. And also if I have since I have 24 hours a day, okay, and then I will be spending 2 hours of my life every day to just do cream, face beauty, beauty regimen, okay, in my face, and then I have still to work, so, and then do other things like that. So it means in my 24 hours of my life every day, I'll be spending 2 hours for my face. For 30 days, how many is that? That's 60 hours already. For 1 year. How much time? Okay, so that is if you are time conscious. Now each patent composition has only one unique benefit. So active ingredients generally account for only a small fraction of the product. So it means this cream, okay, example, this cream is anti-aging. So you're going to put that if you don't want to grow older fast. This one is for melasma. This one is for hydrating because you have dry skin. This one is for a fair skin. So you're going to put them all in your skin like that. So based on Riway's past style, okay, we have a crazy idea. So from that health product that we have, this one is another okay, excellent standout beauty product that is available now in the market, but in only few countries in the world. Okay, now, so based on only add no cut standard, these are the 27 patent active ingredients. So according to the beauty expert, okay, a doctor here in the Philippines, she said that, okay, these 27 patent active ingredients are not a one of these is available in any of the beauty products in the Philippines. So she said this is really actually expensive and patent ingredients that only Consensus has. So you see, that's why I'm so proud that I am using this product. Now, amazing outcome that shocked beauty experts. So through years of extensive research, okay? So by the way, according to this doctor, okay, a beauty expert in the Philippines, because she has also beauty products, okay, she said that for us to test one product, example, she will launch one beauty product. Let's say this beauty product is cream, okay? She is going to test this cream to one face of a woman like that, and she is going to pay 5 years ago, she said the cost to test one product for one face, okay, is 250,000 pesos, or it's 5,000 US dollar just to test. When of course they're going to test too many faces: sensitive skin, oily skin, normal skin, dry skin, like that. Our Consensus beauty set was tested to 6,000 faces. Okay, so like Pure Cheer, some people would ask, is there clinical studies? Of course, there is no clinical studies because Pure Cheer was not tested on animals. It was tested on humans, so no need of clinical studies. So for our Consensus Beauty Stem Cell Mask, people would ask, so do you have some research studies or testimonies or like that? Of course, we have tested the product for 6,000 faces all over the world in different skin colors and different ages. So gone through repeated trials. So it was not only in just 3 years before they launched the product into the public. Okay, it is actually them, the CEO, okay, people, okay, in them, they were the first to try it on their face. So persistence in achieving all ultra high standards discovered a rarity more precious than real gold. So this is a golden proportion that only beauty experts can understand this. But like Pure Cheer, we don't need to become a doctor. We don't need to be a doctor to present the product, same like this. So with these patent active ingredients, they are mutually supporting, mutually harmonizing, working together synergistically to provide perfect formula. So, like Pure Cheer, okay, it has also what you call this healing process I experienced. So, in my case, okay, when I use spray, okay, when that was the first time when I used spray, okay, I have some pimples, big pimples, one here, two here, like that. So when I continuously using the spray, the mist, and the mask, no more. I got no more pimples like that. So it seems that it is started to repair because this beauty set, the mist and the mask, can repair also the damage of our skin. So amazing that our mist can also help cramps. If you have leg cramp, okay, you have burn skin, you have cut or you have wound, this one can help. Okay, even blisters, our mist can help. So very amazing. Now, what are the benefits that we can get from this, okay, beauty set? Of course, the key miracle benefits and the auto research. So it can calm your skin. It is anti-radiation. Imagine there is a beauty product right now that is anti-radiation. So even kids right now, they are using gadgets, right? And we don't know what's the effect of that in our skin. But our company is already advanced. The ingredient of our beauty mask has anti-radiation. And then it is also, the benefit of this is anti-wrinkles. Actually, we've got a lot of testimonies, even in my salon, in just 40 minutes. okay, of the mask, okay, when they remove the mask, it reduces actually wrinkles. It's like an instant reversing aging. Instant reversing aging. The wrinkles reduces, the skin become fresh, and then the effect of this actually, the ingredients, the serum of this beauty set is actually continuously repairing, and then repairing up to 72 hours. It's because it has technologies, modern technologies that are advanced modern technologies. So as I've mentioned, here in the Philippines, so many salons and salons, beauty salon, they are buying expensive machines from Japan and Korea. And here, you don't need to use those machines, radiation, whatever they use, that Thermalift, Thermage, like that, to make your skin younger. And because this beauty set, it can naturally, okay, it naturally tighten your skin, reduce the wrinkles to make your skin young and to make your face young. No wrinkles, even the black eye eye bags, okay, it is like a magic actually. So it refresh your skin, it reduces the sensitivity. Like me, I have a very sensitive skin. It is lifting and firming, so many. And then cellular regenerating. So imagine now there is a beauty set, a beauty stem cell set that is cellular regenerating. So anti-aging, cellular repair, it can actually whiten the mask, no? And it minimizes the pores. So many benefits. So many benefits that none of the beauty products available in the market can give this. Okay. Now, the formidable spray. Up to 60% of precious and active ingredients. Hydrosol as a base without a single drop of water. So imagine the mist that we have, the mist. Can you imagine how many tons of rose petals they squeeze just to extract the liquid in it? And that is what in our mist, in our spray, all botanical, highly concentrated. Nanotechnology penetrates through the skin's deepest levels, according to our CEO, up to the 9th level of your skin. And this product is called conscientious. So it means wishing to do one's work for or duty well and thoroughly. So conscientious. Perfect. Now, this is the second edition of our mist. Okay, as of 2020, January, we were surprised during the 12th anniversary that the CEO launched this beauty product, the second edition. So 3 times more absorbent than the first edition, 3 times more antioxidants, 50% more tolerable for sensitive skin, introduce multiple advanced technology to enhance the original 27 patented active ingredients. So actually our mask, the ingredients of our mask from Japan, North America, and Europe. So they are patented. And our beauty mist, okay, there is this 24K gold. So you have to squeeze, to shake it until there's bubbles, and then you spray it to your face. So you can spray it like 6 spray in a day. 6 spray, every time you spray, 6 spray 6 times in a day. You can spray that any time of the day. So that's the magic of our beauty health. A beauty stem cell set. Now here, so the ultimate perfected innovative breakthrough, biomimetic liposome technology, liposome. So imagine the term, but if you can look at it, even this one, the using Sakuda gold powder from Kanazawa okay, Japan. So they are using. I saw in Facebook. Okay, they have the serum 24K gold like that. They are also have it. They also have that in serum, and it's really expensive with a very small amount of, and we don't know what is the concentration or the how what is the, yeah, the proportion of the 24K gold in that serum, and that is also available in the Philippine market like that. uh Here, okay, the all natural preservative system, actually the terms is very, only for those who are into the beauty industry can understand this, but let me read this one. The effects of antioxidant is 1,000 times better than that of vitamin E, and also equipped with the ability to eliminate free radicals, because especially in our lifestyle right now, even lipstick has chemicals, powder like that. So if you notice, okay, the skin of people are using beauty products with strong chemicals, okay, they have different skin. And in the Philippines, if you notice our business development, okay, even though they are guys, you can see that if you can notice their skin, they really have a baby skin. That's because they are using only our Conscientious Beauty set. So these are the few of the 6,000 faces tested where our Conscientious Beauty set stem cell products were tested. So they are 100% satisfied of this. So men, women from different skin problems, from pimples, discoloration, uneven skin, acne, and so on. Skin. So presenting the most perfect technological facial mask. This in my salon clients, okay, who tried our product really are happy with this, and this is a very cheap product. I mean, the price is very low compared to the benefit that you can get from our beauty product. So there were two technologies used, okay, in the mask: microemulsification and anti-pollutant defense technology to give your skin a super nutrient booster. So imagine this mask, if you put this mask in your face today, the effect continues up to 72 hours. It continues to repair your skin, to nourish your skin, to make your skin younger, so that you will have a glass skin, glowing skin, youthful skin, young skin, reduces wrinkles, all like that. So me, I am one of the thousands testimonies who really benefited from the mask, from my melasma. Okay. So that's the end of our business BSC. Okay. That is business beauty showcase. Okay. So Reway has two products, so we can market this all here in the Philippines. People are really dying so hard to market Pure Cheer, okay, because they want to push the product. Well, product actually is just free. What you are actually paying is an international business franchise. So if you are going to start your business, okay, the product, you got it, and then you can enjoy for yourself. Do not sell, because you are here you earn money here by inviting people to join you in the business, to join the company, not by selling the product. So what we are looking are builders, people who can build their team all over the world, because right now Reway International is in 15 active countries, although we are already in so many different countries, but no offices yet. So what they do, like in Europe, in Italy, in Hungary, the nearest country they can go is only in Czech Republic, in Prague, soon in Poland, and soon in Germany. So Reway is planting so fast to cater okay, to cater the clients all over the world, because sooner Riway International in beauty industry will become number one, and also number one and the strongest MLM. All right. So, do you have questions? Evelyn?
Yes, I don't have questions currently,
All
but
right.
it's very interesting about the product. But I don't understand. You have a product for men and for women.
Yeah.
It's
pink for
yeah.
women and black for men.
Yeah.
It's
it's to so it's a product for how can I say this? It's like pills that for
couplet to take is Pure Cheer.
Tablets.
That's for your whole body, couplet. Now for the beauty, okay, that's the mist and the mask. Don't worry. If you're gonna order later on, okay, your product, I can deliver it there.
Okay.
I will deliver in Belgium.
Yes. That's good.
Oh, by the way, Eve, I forgot. I need to ask this again. How far are you from Czech Republic again by plane?
Oh, I don't know. I don't have
you have
an
no
idea.
Okay.
No,
You check how I'll check also. Because
Czech
soon.
Republic.
Yeah, Prague, Czech Republic.
Okay, I check it.
Okay, but I'll check it also. But anyway, yeah, if you have no questions, okay, that's it. That's it for today. And then Friday, 8 o'clock, we have product presentation. That's Pure Cheer Placenta, Pure Cheer and the marketing plan. So you can invite your friends, okay?
Which day is it?
Friday. I'll send you again. Friday to 3 p.m. 2 p.m. 2 p.m.
2 p.m. Okay.
Yeah, your time. Okay. Just invite them. That's actually a good technique. You ask them, oh, can you just listen and then translate to me in French?
Okay.
Okay. For sure, as they listen, they will also get interested, right? That is a good technique,
Yeah, a good
brilliant idea.
It's not a stupid idea. But I can I can give the same link that you give me?
Yes. Okay, same link, same password. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So bye guys. Allen and Owen. Okay. See you again on Friday. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.